Do you ever find yourself worrying about the ghosts and the zombies and the demons that are always out to get you? Well, friend, I just happened to find one of the best products to protect yourself. Only at AmericanSpecialtyAmmo.com can you find 12-gauge Rocksalt shells. These are less than lethal rounds to the living, but they'll definitely take care of the ghost. Trust me, I've used them before, and they saved my life. So, my friend, if you find yourself in a troubled situation like that, then I recommend you get yourself some rock salt shells.
For use against ghosts, zombies, and demons only. Not effective against vampires or werewolves.